Oh, alright.
Oh, picture. Ang trap, mo to nandito ko.
Ara naman ang panganod.
Bisigon ta kani.
Oh, rin ako.
Ikaw niyo.
Bala lang.
Video.
Alright. Oh. Oh.
Okay na?
What's that?
Oh. Making a bonfire.
Wala sila gang.
Ito yung lot niya ni Aga. Bako na si Alka.
Oh my gosh.
Ako nung bossing ka ko nung. Kasi duwa niyan. Aba di gani kasi linahan niya ako nung
It's running inside.
Basig. Kasi linahan niya.
It's oh shoot.
Babaw.
Sorry. Oh. Okay, gotta light this up.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's good. Alright, now we just have to wait with the slaughter. Oh. Oh. Lighting up the bonfire, guys. Y'all. Lighting up the bonfire. Dude, focus. Yes. Oh. Flies.
Sa babaw, kasabit.
Flies, SMH.
Lima lang guys.
Alright. Whoa.
Okay na?
Abi ko.
Tadi. Nanti ka area.
Oh.
May isa na mo, may isa sa kamot.
Just gonna light this on up. Look at this light. What the heck? What is happening to the light? Why it's striped? Oh my gosh. Oh my dude, it looks so much cooler in real life, bro. It's not. It's like orange. It's not this red. It's effect. So oh my gosh, gotta light this up. Oh shit. This is golden. That's why the camera is golden right now, because it's gold. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, so much bugs. Whoa. Oh. Look at this.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are
Oo mga kalay.
No!
Fireball. Fireball jutsu. Okay na kids?
Okay, let's go.
Let's
na. Buwas naman ang half view.
Okay, cut. Cut na.
Bro, I am not doing that. But I have this. I have to.
Hindi pagtandugan. Ang kahoy diya.
Oh.
Magkabugan yung paamak.
L.
Ay man maluyog pa.
L flat.
Amo mo gina sa buro. Kasi batayin sa grams.
Fireball! Fireball gid dyan na! Fireball na ninyo dyan.
Akay to tapagit please dad.
Hindi ko.
Biskan. Gay pasulod ninday. Ay may ara na tota.
Alright. Ah, you can make orange wine with banana. Banana. Eating pork wine sauce pa yung dyan. Wala.
Lusuhin na sana.
Kang, can you help me? Can you help me?
Galing kita na.
What the heck?
Hoy, magiging na batsagan. Batsagan. Ikaw lang ga. Sunugon di ala ka init-init. Maglayo.
Hindi ko mahimo.
Hindi ko makuluwi.
Agay.
Hindi, kapainit to duyagan.
Hindi, dasig lang. Dasig lang.
It feels like sunburn.
Okay, I'm not recording this. Alright guys. Why is it? Oh my gosh, the demons is awakening. The demons inside the marshmallow is awakening. What the Alright guys, ignore that thing. I got s'mores.
Nakagala ka mo katang bag mo sa duyagan.
Gosh.